German-Indian Management Studies. As the name goes, it's the collaboration between Germany and India. This course was started combinedly by two universities, PSG Institute of Management in India and Hochschule Hof in Germany.
Here you would learn more about marketing. Though marketing is your main focus, you will also concentrate on procurement, even international law, and also HR, supply chain management. Everything is included in this course, so it will be a jam-packed course for you.
There are good opportunities in our course. Our course includes two internship periods, a period of 6 months and a period of 2 months. Our course is sponsored by many companies who can provide internships to our students in the course.
If you're a technical person and if you want to get yourself familiar with the management, or if you have an idea of becoming an entrepreneur, I think this course would be much suited for your needs. The university also has a career service who assist you in preparing your CVs and your cover letters. The basic structure of CV is different from India, so I think that would help you a lot when you are looking for an internship or when you want to get into the job market.
The career service in our university was able to provide us good opportunity to visit many international fairs such as Hannover Fair. In the fair we were able to meet professionals from various companies and have a good conversation with them about the company related stuffs. So we had a very good experience in the fair and very good learnings from the fair.
Bain, which provided us an opportunity to interact with the German students before coming to India, helped us more in order to learn German culture before coming to Germany. It helped us to avoid the cultural shock that we had here.
We had different workshops on German culture organized by the university.
We had an integration weekend in the beginning of the semester. We were able to interact with a lot of German students and also with a lot of international students.
The international office in our university gave us a good chance to meet people from different cultures. We were able to meet people from countries like Brazil, Vietnam, and many other countries. We had a chance to mingle with these people and had a good insight about their cultures and had a good time with them.
The university organized a friendship program which helped us to get a contact with the German friends. It helps us to get more exposure to the German culture.
In German language classes, we not only learn about the language, but also the professors there teach us about the German culture and the way of living.
We do play a lot of football during our free time in the college campus, or we go to the Unreise and have some great fun out there.
We had a summer fest in May where we had the opportunity to prove our talent by dancing and also participating in many other events.
These understandings of German culture actually help us to conduct a workshop for a group of physically challenged people, and we tried to give a presentation about the Indian culture in German language. I should say we tried to give it in German language, and we have also prepared typical Indian snacks for them.
Cooking is also a fun part in our life. Even though we are not professionals, but still cooking many times for the past 5 months made us experts in it. We almost cook every weekend together and we just enjoy it.
We did get a chance to watch the Football World Cup finals in Hof, the public viewing, and fortunately Germany won and it had a happy ending.
We have a Schengen visa which enables us to visit many countries in Europe, not except UK. We have been to Italy, Netherlands and Czech Republic. For students especially, there is a cheaper option to stay in other countries with the help of youth hostel, where you can stay in a dormitory.
Here in Germany, you are not spoon-fed. You are more independent. You have to do your own stuff. Not only regarding your studies, that includes even your chores and your cooking. I think on the long run that would be more suitable because basically you learn to manage yourself better. I think that's of primary importance here.
Play.
Study.
Get together.
Happy.
Opportunities.
Family.